Welcome to EDC Ballistics. Today's ammo testing is going to be on this
Sellier and Bellot
XRG 40 Smith Wesson 130 grain solid copper hollow point. We'll be using the 4 layers of heavy denim through this short 3.1 inch barrel M&P Shield. Now this is how this ammo performed. 3 shots, velocity of 1188 with 407 foot-pounds of energy out of the same gun. And I have a video of this 135 grain Underwood 40 Smith & Wesson at a velocity of 1235 with 457 foot-pounds of energy. And coming up out of this 9mm, again 3.1 inch barrel gun with a critical duty plus P 135 grain, I got a velocity of 1044 with 327 foot-pounds energy. Now let's go to the range. 4 layers of denim, the shield, 3-inch barrel. Well, let's see. That one popped out, but it did expand. No, actually, I'm sorry. It popped that one from off the top. So let's see how the other one did. So looks like instant expansion. Get out of the way. Nice moon track. And it looks like it went just a bit shy of where the other bullet landed. So it went the same distance, and best I could tell, it looks like it expanded. So FBI, it worked. And the 4 layers of denim, and that means I'm ready to try this on the Paul Harrell's method next. Okay, sorry, it's rush. I got to get going, get back to work. So again, it's this bottom track here, nice moon track, and it appears to me that instant expansion in that track goes out to about 6.5, and then it starts to pencil, becomes more of a straight line around 8 inches, and again it went to 12 3/4 and bounced about I would say 12 1/4, so pretty consistent. So it didn't fold all the way back, but it's working, it's doing well, and the price. The expanded round is coming in at 129.4 grains. And here's your expansion in inches and 15mm for you metric people. All this round performed well, and look out for these other 2 videos I have through the meat jug and through the 4 layers of heavy clothing FBI. And currently I am carrying this around for my everyday conceal carry until I find something that's better. So thank you for watching EDC Ballistics. If you like to continue watching, I have a little presentation on the recoil on it. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe.